Hi Taylor, I wanted to try to explain a couple of things about Cramer's rule to you. This is a homework that you did on page 218 and 219. Number one, keep in mind that we have now learned 4 different ways to solve a system of equations. A system of equations where I have 2 equations and 2 unknowns can be solved using graph, guess, and check. Nobody's favorite, right? Or substitution, where I solve one equation for one variable and then plug that into the other equation. Or I can use combination, where I add the 2 equations together, hoping I can get something to cancel out and be eliminated. Graph, guess, and check, substitution, combination, and now number 4, Cramer's rule. What I like about Cramer's rule is it allows me to go right to the value of x. I don't have to do any algebra, massage any equations. I can just start plugging in numbers and figure out what the value of x is in the point where the 2 lines would intersect. Let me show you that equation. To find the value of x, I write a fraction where the numerator of the fraction is a special matrix. The denominator of the fraction is always the determinant of the original coefficient matrix. I'm going to try to scooch in a little bit here. So the numerator is special. The denominator is always the matrix of coefficients. I just find the determinant of that, and that goes in my denominator. The numerator, what makes that special, is that instead of having an x column and a y column, I take the x column out and I replace it with the numbers that come after the equal sign. Whatever E and F are, in your book you can see this example, whatever those numbers are that come after the equal sign are plugged in here for x, but the y numbers stay the same. And then we find the determinant of that, which you have done before, multiply, multiply, and subtract. So this x value is found by just finding the determinant of that special matrix, where I trade out the x's for the numbers after the equal sign, and the denominator, which is the determinant of the coefficient matrix. Those 2 determinants create a fraction that is the x portion of that intersection point.